next up we have engineered hardwood that's finished. Okay, and let's see, here's our double-sided carpet tile tape. Now I'm going to show you how it's residue-free on engineered hardwood. When we take it up, I'll show you the easiest way to take it off. This is a double-sided tape, so you can install any flooring on top. So a lot of people use this carpet tile tape to keep their area rugs in place, so they're not slipping and sliding around from pets and kids running around on the flooring. And you don't want anybody tripping on the curled corners, so it keeps those corners down on your rugs. So you just border the rug, you curl the corner back, you put this tape on, you peel off this top layer, and then you flip it back down and run your hand alongside so it adheres to the floor. And you do that all around the edges of the area rug, and it will keep it in place. And when you want to take it up, all you do is you can see how sticky this is. It's really nice and sticky, so it's definitely gonna keep your whatever flooring you put on top in place. So you can install carpet tile over top, area rugs, floor mats, vinyl plank if you want, right over top, or rubber, okay, if you needed to. And then to take it up, all you do is you use your thumb. I like using my thumb. Just scrape that corner like this, okay, until you can get a good grip. Build it up to where it's easy to grab, and then just rip it up, tear it up like this, and it comes up all in one piece. See how nice that comes up? And it doesn't leave any residue on your beautiful engineered hardwood floor.